Are you worried about coming into school or sending your child next week after the lockdown? Don't worry, you're not alone. It's natural for us to worry about change, especially during such difficult times as this during a pandemic. It's natural for us to feel a little bit nervous. We can start to imagine all kinds of things. Maybe these are some of the things that are going through your head right now. Totally natural for you to think all of those things. But when we think of all these negative thoughts, what happens is we start to imagine ourselves in that situation. We imagine ourselves coming back to school or our workplace, feeling all of the feelings associated with those thoughts. So we might feel nervous, our heart rate may go up, our breathing might become more shallow. We may be really conscious about how we look or what other people might think of us. All of that can just heighten that sense of fear and anxiety and worry. So in the time we have left between now and then, why don't we start to create a different kind of image in our mind? Maybe we can start using positive self-talk and encouragement to those around us to change that conversation that we've got going up in our heads. The more we repeat positivity, the more chances we will have next week when you come into school that you will feel more confident and calm. So maybe you can lie down and close your eyes or sit in a chair and try to imagine yourself coming back to school, feeling at peace with yourself, feeling confident, feeling as though you can achieve what your teachers are asking of you, feeling confident that you can get your work done, that you'll get on well with your friends. Being together in these difficult times by being kind and supportive and mindful that other people might be feeling worried or nervous means that we can help to support each other and move forward and have got great confidence and get used to being back together again. The staff that are here are looking forward to seeing everybody again and to have face-to-face learning, which will be easier upon you. And every staff member is available to talk to about your worries around your schoolwork, tests that might be coming up, or just generally how you're feeling. And we really can't wait to see you again. So take care, and I look forward to seeing you next week.